Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to make a drop-down list in Excel. Why would you want to know how to make a drop-down list in Excel? Well, maybe you want to fill your data with a list without typing. So today I am going to show you how to make a drop-down list in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, now we have the name and statue. That's the place we want to make a drop-down list. Let's mark the place, go to data, then data validation, select data validation. Now any value, make it list, and let's choose the source. This rewards absent, present, check. Okay, now we have make a drop-down list. There you go. If you want to know how to make a drop-down list in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to make a drop-down list in Excel, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.